What do you need to take up water skiing? A lake, a river, a bay, and you need a boat. And when you consider how much a boat costs, it's pretty silly not to get the very best water skis you can. Those very affordable Cypress Garden skis. That's why we make more training skis for kids to learn on, and family skis for the whole family to share. But don't get us wrong, we also make skis for $1.5 billion worth. Now, if people can afford to put that much money in a boat, surely they can afford a pair of water skis. That's what we think. And so we're going to embark on a crusade to sell water skiing and sell water skis. And that's only natural because for almost 40 years we've done more to promote water skiing than anybody else. Putting on water ski shows for more than 1 million people a year. Publicizing water skiing in the movies, on television, and magazines and newspapers. Today, in the more active America, we're going to work on the people who are already... It's a brand recommended by champions. Like 1978 national overall champion Ricky McCormick. 1978 is the second year that Ricky's won the national overall championship. And he's been the Masters overall champion 4 times. All were won on the skis that have been winning championships for 20 years. Before we tell, from tip to tip, Cypress Garden skis cushion your ride. They flex to take the bumps so you don't have to. They smooth the chop, steer you around the buoys, giving you the winning edge on the turn.